Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft account security. And in this video, I will show you how to check your sign-in activity on your Microsoft account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Microsoft account. Having logged into your Microsoft account, next thing you want to do is to navigate to security section right here. Click on security. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter my passkey. So here we go. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on View My Sign-in Activity. Click on that. Then you have your sign-in history right here. So if you find out that there is an unfamiliar sign-in activity on your Microsoft account, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and under the Look Unfamiliar, go ahead and click on Secure Your Account right here. So once you click on Secure Your Account, we think this was you. You have used this network before, which suggests that this activity may be yours. Location may not be accurate. If you know the activity won't yours, continue to change your password and view your account activity right here. Go ahead and click on Continue anyway. So with that, reset your password and make sure you enable your two-step authentication password on your Microsoft account to strengthen your account security and remove unfamiliar login activity on your Microsoft account, both device IP address, in order to secure your Microsoft account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about account security with Microsoft, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.